Hi guys, welcome back to the Tashway Kitchen. Today we're making carrot and ginger juice, so let's get right into it. We wash your produce over here first things first, okay? Then we move on to chopping. So you can do it long way or circular, and today I'm doing it circular. So I just cut the ends off and throw them out, and if they have like any impurities that you would like to take off, definitely go ahead. And when I'm in the kitchen, like, I try my best not to rush, because cooking is a detail. Like, it needs love. It needs to know that you're all in, okay? So when you're cooking, you need to cook with love. That makes the recipe so much more delectable. So on further note, if you don't have a blender that's gonna make it very smooth and just give you that cold press taste, I would say do smaller chops. And when you put the water in the blender, that's also a factor. Like, it's based on how much you're putting, so you can always add more water, but it's harder to remove the water. So also bear that in mind when you're putting it into the blender. I would say probably like a cup of water to probably like a handful of carrots. And I would recommend, like, if you're doing multiple, I would say use the carrot juice instead of constantly pouring more water into the blender. And I used roughly about 12 or 13 or so carrots. And you can do this several different ways. This is just my take on it, and I didn't put any sugar in mine. Also, you can add milk to it, so you can use condensed milk, and you can put like a spice, whether cinnamon or nutmeg, and gives you a delicious milky beverage. And when it comes to ginger, be aware that it's harsh. Not everybody is tolerant or have the tolerance for it, so you can always just cut a little piece off and try it, chew it or something, to feel how harsh it is. So I'm gonna tell you, with making recipes like this, I do it to my liking. So when I'm breaking it down for you, it's based on you just adding small amounts till you find your desired liking. It's simply, and that's how much water I put in there. That was like 2 cups of water, or a little bit over 2. And I just blend away, and I just continue using the carrot juice, so it's not watered out where you taste like you don't get the rich taste of the carrot, okay? And that's what the final product looked like. I couldn't wait for it to chill. So this is from my kitchen to yours. Enjoy, and I'll see you back here again soon.